Hey, so this model aims to demonstrate how Monte Carlo can be used for retirement planning. This model specifically has two assets, an equity investment and a risk-free investment. And let's dive into how the model works. So the model is structured into three sections. First, there are the inputs on the left-hand side. Then there are outputs on the right-hand side in the top section, and then is the model itself. Within the inputs, you're gonna see starting wealth parameters, starting here, operating business. That means in case the family still has a business, that's bringing in cash flow. That cash flow can grow with a given percentage year over year. Then there is the estimated portfolio breakdown or weights in terms of equity share and a risk-free asset share. Average equity return, the standard deviation that is currently set at 15%, which has been the standard deviation for S&P returns, more or less. The risk-free rate, and then there are the withdrawal parameters. These parameters begin first with the family structure broken down into generation 1, generation 2, and generation 3 members. Then the expected cash needs or withdrawal needs of all the generations, and then the starting here of withdrawals of generation 2 and withdrawals of generation 3, as well as life expectancy of generation 1. Then there are the estate goals, and these are the primary parameters that go into the model. You can see the main output being the distribution of wealth within certain wealth buckets. You can see the simulation statistics, which actually says that in this particular case there was no scenario in which all the wealth would be lost, and no scenario in which a target of 140 million in this specific case would not be met. I can hit F9 to do the recalculation. It's going to crunch numbers for a little while. In the meantime, I'll just say that this model is designed to work without VBA. If you were to run this model with VBA, you could probably run millions of iterations. In this specific case, the model is set up to run 1000 iterations. You can see that the chart has already updated here. So we've got our new results. If you run the model with, let's say, 100,000 or 1 million iterations, which is totally doable in this model as well. It would just take a lot of time. You would see the shape of the distribution being much more smooth. Here is the model for the yearly withdrawals. Here is the section for the net worth model. So how does the beginning of period spending, operating business results, and growth propagate into the net worth by the end of the period or the end of the year. And then there are the simulation results and distribution of the results. So feel free to download this model. It's free. You can play with it in case you feel like you would want to have this updated to capture or be able to calculate your needs. Don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope it's going to be useful for you.